Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Loox photo reviews for WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Loox photo reviews for WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Loox and hit Enter. Locate the Loox photo reviews plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the Loox plugin on your site. After activation, look for the Loox option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Loox settings page. You will need your Loox account credentials to integrate the plugin with WooCommerce. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Loox website. Once you have your account, enter your API key in the appropriate field. To find your API key, log into your Loox account and navigate to the Integrations section. Copy the API key and return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the API key where prompted in the Loox settings. Next, configure your review display settings according to your preferences. Choose how you want reviews to be displayed on product pages. You can enable or disable options like star ratings and photo uploads. After setting your preferences, remember to save changes. Now, head over to the WooCommerce section in your dashboard. Click on Products to manage your products. Select a product you want to enable photo reviews for. Scroll down to the Loox settings on the Product Edit page. Make sure the Allow Photo Reviews option is checked. Click Update to save changes to your product. To see the photo reviews in action, visit your product page. Test the review submission process to ensure everything is working correctly. Encourage customers to leave photo reviews after their purchases to enhance your product page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.